Millions of people across the country are under winter weather alerts. Record rain has fallen in Northern California, and now that wet weather is heading to Southern California. Some areas recently devastated by wildfires could see landslides. This is California's governor heads to Washington to meet with President Donald Trump, seeking federal funds to help with wildfire recovery. Here's ABC's Melissa Adan.
Flooding in Sonoma, California, as heavy rain falls across parts of the state. An atmospheric river bringing 1.5 feet of rain across Northern California over 5 days. A family rescued from the roof of their truck after being trapped in a flooded roadway. Further north in Mount Shasta, heavy snow falling. An avalanche warning for parts of Oregon and Idaho. The rain now moving through Southern California, expected to bring almost an inch of rain through burn-scar communities in Altadena and the Pacific Palisades. Roads closing in anticipation. Communities devastated by recent wildfires, which have seen mud and rocks spilling over roads.
The possibility of mud, trees, large debris from the aftermath of the fires blocking the highways.
Fire victims preparing once again.
We need the rain to clean the air, but for those who have been directly impacted in the fire zone, it's a whole other reality that we're living in that's quite scary.
California Governor Gavin Newsom meeting with President Trump in Washington today to secure disaster aid for the survivors of the Los Angeles fires. Newsom also meeting with members of Congress. The state has secured more than $2.5 billion for fire recovery work. Rebuilding costs are expected to reach into the tens of billions of dollars. There's also a storm system moving into the Midwest, bringing sleet, freezing rain and snow. That same system will then move on to the northeast and I-95 corridor tonight and into tomorrow morning. That's putting more than 100 million Americans from Oklahoma to Maine under ice and snow alerts. Melissa Adan, ABC News, Los Angeles.